Did you know that on January 21st, 2010, the Supreme Court ruled that corporations have the same rights as individuals when it comes to free speech? Now that means that corporations now can use their profits to either support or oppose individual candidates. Now, according to the court's decision, money equals speech, and corporations should be treated as individual Americans. Corporations will now be able to spend freely on advertisements that are meant to influence us, the voters. And because now that the law has been passed, the corporate voice will be much louder than that of yours or mine.
Most suspected
Simply
buyers
because
deny it.
they have more money to
A few
spend.
don't.
How do I say so, young?
And
Your skin deserves
they
the
can
best, and
blast
so do you.
whatever nonsense they
have
want, just like they do with their product commercials.
Does this sound like you?
The court's decision opens the door to unlimited spending by special interest groups and corporations, including multinational corporations, to spend without limit in our elections. Essentially, that means they can buy elections and thus run our government. Do you want foreign powers to dictate and influence what direction our country is going in? I guess since everything else is made in China, why not our elections too? This is a time of great danger for democracy. We have got to let our protest to this ruling be known. Corporations should not have the same political and free speech rights that belong to the people. I mean, do they really think that corporations have a conscience? Beliefs? Well, thoughts? Feelings? Desires? No, don't get me wrong. There is nothing wrong with corporations wanting that. But it is not okay for them to be equated to you or I. Real people with a conscience, beliefs, thoughts, feelings, desires. The good news is there are many conscientious congressmen, senators, and citizens who are outraged by the Supreme Court's decision and want to limit the power of their ruling. We have got to put people ahead of corporations. Add your name. Let your voice be heard.